Guys, good morning guys. Today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday morning guys. So sabi guys, ang sakit ng mga all my body ko. Kurang na guys. So need exercises a little bit. Someone like to go. Shake, 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 shake. Exercises of all of our body na guys. 1, 2, 3. Saan eh? Yung exercise din grind naman eh. Magabiga naman eh guys. Sa agay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Makulay ang buhay. Makulay ang buhay. Sa sinabawang buhay. Lihok na kong body kasi okay, gurang kita guys. So this is my favorite place guys, you know. Already a coffee guys, you know. So my favorite coffee.